Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1968 Triumph Tr250 that we currently have for sale. Excellent project. We just brought it in from Idaho. It's partly apart right now, but I think we do have all the bits. If you look at the still photos, you can see all the items pictured. It came in just stuffed to the gills of all the original parts. I think it does have a set of seats, but not the original type. But really good straight body on this thing. You know, if you're looking for a project car, this is a great start to it. You can see how nice and tight the hood gaps are on this car. These cars, when they get bumped, they kind of suffer and these gaps go wide, but really good little straight body, nice front grille that fits great. We'll go around slowly. It's painted this kind of this bright blue, but the original color is this fantastic Valencia blue, which is kind of this blue-green with a black interior most likely. So really good door fit. A little bit of rust kind of showing, bubbling, just starting here, which is an easy fix. Also another little tiny bit just starting on this corner. Pretty solid, good car though, accident free. Let's take a look in here. You can see how bone dry all this is. There is a little bit of surface rust there, but these boxes at the back of the car, they've never been hit. You can see the good fit of the rear bumper all across the back here. Trunk lid fits great on the car. It's got this chrome luggage rack fitted. There's these Tr250 badges that were kind of signature for the model. But yeah, little bit just starting here, little tiny bit of rust through there. And a tiny bit here, which is typical, but you know, overall really good, solid, straight body shell. Excellent original floors in this car. You can see here, even down on the driver's side, all original floors, never been rusted through. They've got some surface rust. All the original body panels on the car, all in a Valencia blue. We do have the instruments, we do have all the interior components, but like I said, I don't think the seat set we have is original. So, but you know, good little valuable, desirable Tr250. It's a 1 year only build, and what they did was they took let's pop the hood there. They took the TR4 4A body shell and they fitted the TR6 driveline because the TR6 body wasn't quite ready yet. So it's a 1 year only stopgap car. In England, it was the TR5, and in the States, it became the TR250. I think we're gonna put a battery on this car. I believe it was running and driving. We took the battery out just to give it a real good clean and show you how nice that dry battery box is right there. But yeah, if you look in here, all original paint work. Everything looks nice and clean and straight all the way around. This engine turns. I believe it's running. If we put a battery on it, I'll do a running video of it. But there you go. VIN number CD3325L. Paint code 66, trim black, so Valencia blue with black trim. Most likely matching number engine here. CC2591E, that's a TR250 engine. Original, I think it's the original windshield, but it's probably going to need to be replaced. You can see here it's only just had one repaint in this kind of this bright electric blue. But you can see all the original paint all over the place. So under here, really lovely original thing. Someone was in the process of getting it mechanically going on the road and was probably going to move on to the cosmetics, but you can see it's got a newly done radiator and hoses and some bits and pieces. So we don't know the original mileage. There's the body tag, but we don't know the original mileage until we take a look at the instruments and check out the speed. But pretty good, solid, straight, excellent Tr250 project here. Have a look at our undercarriage photos. You'll see how nice the frame is and all the floors and all the undercarriage and underside. Little bit of, very little rust on a couple of those outer body panels. Maybe a little bit on the front fenders there. But a really lovely, rare, handsome Triumph when it's finished. And there it is. That's our Tr250 project, 1968. Original colors of Valencia blue, black interior. It's a standard 4-speed car. It's fitted on these disc wheels currently, but a great look on these cars is some 60-spoke wire wheels and maybe fit an overdrive unit. But pretty rare, desirable Triumph, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.